Hello everyone. Hey, I'm just popping in before the Packer game just to share a little bit with you. I wanted to let you know that tomorrow's the last day to sign up for our October Christmas craft along. And then I got to thinking, some people have asked, what is a craft along? What does that mean? Well, I'm going to flip down my camera. I'm going to show you. But what a craft along is I am going to take you through step by step making 12 different projects. Okay, 13. That we have a bonus project that Deb, Sherry, and I have created just for you all. And I want to share with you what's in that kit. So by what I mean, we're doing step by step. We're actually taking an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock and cutting our designer series paper. We're doing this step by step so you can craft along right along with us. You can replay the video. It'll be on Facebook and YouTube. But it's a step-by-step process, and it's really a lot of fun. You get to craft along right with us, just kind of as we're sitting in the room with you, even though we're not. And it's just a really fun way to do things. So if you're not an experienced crafter, this is a great way for you to learn how to use your crafts. Now, we're going to be focusing on two different products. We're going to be using our Stay Warm stamp set and also the pine tree trimmings. It's a bundle, and when I flip my camera down, I'm going to run and grab those two bundles so that you can see what they are, and then I'll talk about what is in your craft along kit and what you're all going to get. So the week of October 20th, I will be live. One day is going to be a video. I'll be live each day doing two projects each day, and that way you get to craft two projects each day. It won't be too overwhelming. You can take it at your own pace. It's a lot of fun. We spent a lot of time really creating some amazing, awesome projects for you, and I can't wait to actually dive into these. I've had fun creating the ones that I made, and oh my gosh, Sherry and Deb did an outstanding job. And these projects are a lot of fun. It's a way for you to experience different demonstrators doing the same thing and still helping me support my stamp studio. So let me flip you down, and I'm going to go grab those stamp sets, and then I'm going to share with you what's all in this bundle, in this kit. All right, so hang on. If you get dizzy, close your eyes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so you can see my desktop. I'm going to go get those stamp sets real quick. Alrighty, now we are going to be using the Stay Warm stamp set, this little sweater stamp set, and our pine tree trimming stamp set. This stamp set also comes with a package of dies, so you'll be using these on all of your projects. We will not be doing this die cutting for you. You will need to have your own dies and stamp set. If you don't have these particular ones and you want to use something else from your stash, you are more than welcome to, because this is all about the crafting and making the projects. But if you want, you can add this to your craft along bundle. What I'm also going to be using is our traditional labels dies. So you'll be seeing those throughout the class as well. So there's some really fun dies to make some really awesome labels, so I'll be using those. All right, but let me show you what's in your craft along kit. Now this is super amazing. Sorry, there's so much stuff that's just falling all over the place. I'm getting people's kits ready. We have a number of people already order. So there's a sneak peek of some of the projects that we'll be doing. All right, so let's check out what's in your craft along. You are going to be getting two different embellishments. So you're going to be getting some tree shaker domes, some baker's red and white baker's thread. You'll be getting a half a package of the Elegant Pine Designer Series paper and a half a package of the traditional Christmas or Christmas Mix and Match. You'll be getting half a pack of these. We'll be using all of this in your projects, all right? And in addition to all of this, if that wasn't enough, you are going to be getting 24 sheets of cardstock. This is all the cardstock colors that we'll be using in our projects. So you will get that whole kit and caboodle in your craft along kit. And you will also be emailed this, I don't even know how many pages this, I don't know, 30 page tutorial. We give you step-by-step instructions. We give you additional pictures so you get a better idea of the projects. So you can craft along with us, watch the video, come back to it, but this will be emailed to you, so you will have this in your hands. And again, there are 13 projects. We have a bonus project because, you know what, we couldn't just figure out on 12. We loved the last project so much, we had to include it. Oh, and also you get some shakers. So these are stars, and we're going to be making some shaker projects. So you'll be getting all of this in your craft along kit. Totally worth it. It is $84 and includes shipping. So it'll go right to you. We'll be shipping kits out April 13th-ish. And we will be kicking off our videos and lives on October 20th. So I hope you can join me. If you want the kit, again, tomorrow is the last day to get the kit. I'm going to put the link right in the description and the comments. So make sure that you go and register. We'd love to see you. If you want, you can just watch along. That's fine too. And we'll see you all later. Bye.